the first ever all intergender show from Battle Club Pro, Anything You Can Do, streaming now exclusively on TitleMatchNetwork.com.
Introducing first, to my left, fighting out of the rotten orchard. He weighs in at 213 pounds, the Bad Apple, Matt Macintosh. And his opponent to my right, hailing from the Black Lagoon. She is the ballsy badass Shotzi Blackheart.
Money Morales, you are not making us wait. One of the most anticipated bouts of the evening. We're kicking it right off.
Yep, starting it super hot.
I have no predictions as to how this could potentially go. No clue who has the advantage in power, speed, or anything, to be honest.
To be honest,
Who you got your money on?
I mean, Shotzi's a maniac. Macintosh is a man, so, you know, that gives him the advantage.
That doesn't mean anything. Shotzi's
we're
one
not
of the
doing
best
that
in the
tonight?
world. Oh, no.
I think you're going to be saying that a lot if that's
Yeah,
your
no.
position.
Have you seen my Twitter pics? I put up a whole thing, like a thing.
I muted you long ago.
No,
babe.
mute my ass.
All right, here we go. Macintosh with a headbutt. Shotzi falters. Macintosh back in the ring.
Oh!
Kraft Dunberger's an idiot.
Shotzi's unfazed for the moment. Stiff punches to the neck
Stiff
of
shots from
Macintosh.
Shotzi.
Rolls through, stays holding on to the wrist, and let's go. An arm drag from Shotzi.
Pass by Macintosh off the ropes.
Oh,
Shotzi
Shotzi's
slingshots
outsmarting
him.
Yeah,
Macintosh
she
at
makes
every
him
turn.
rebound unwantedly. There's an arm breaker.
Macintosh still on his feet. She's just kicking a hole right through his chest.
She's got a hold of the arm with some
Whoa.
up kicks. What's this? Look at this.
Whoa.
Manipulating him.
Innovative offense. Too bad she missed. Macintosh is a little too quick for Shotzi.
Look at this. Oh, my goodness.
Ooh. Nice Rana off the ropes from Shotzi. Shotzi proving in the early part of this match to be the smarter of the two.
Where's she barking at?
Oh, what a senton.
I truly appreciated that tank girl entrance. It just spoke to the
It was-
depths of my soul.
She wanted it. We gave it to her.
Tank girl, how old are you?
Hey, listen, that tank was badass, bro.
Tank was badass, but he's referencing Lori Petty.
That's my girl. That's my mother. Here we
Grandmother
go.
at this point. Shotzi into the corner.
Oh!
Oh, what a boot right to the mush.
Catches Macintosh. Now she's going for, ooh, a submission on the ropes, which means it will not count, but the damage will be done.
Stopping
Shots.
before the 5 count.
Yeah, not letting herself get disqualified.
Yeah, these refs need to get a little more lenient here. Let
Tell
them
Steve
fight.
after. Tell
Let them
Steve
fight.
after.
Crossbody. Oh, no.
Oh, rolls right through, picks her up. Look at the power displayed by Macintosh. What's he going to do with her? He's making applesauce, bitches.
Goodness.
That's your ball game, folks. Counter out.
You really think that's it?
No, one.
No. Shotzi did look a little dazed for a second.
That was
there,
a hell of a maneuver.
but she is still in it.
She's a fighter.
Her apples got sauced.
Shotzi's
Goodness.
very
Oh, kick
used
right to the uterus.
Shotzi's very used to intergender combat. One of the
Look at the
most
crowd
known
is firmly behind Shotzi.
Yeah.
Well, have you met Macintosh? He's not the friendliest of people.
Ooh, to the throat.
What a right hand.
Macintosh doesn't give out 8x10s. He gives out dartboards.
Me. Oh. Not interested. No, thank you.
Fun fact, I'm allergic to apples.
Really?
Oh, yeah, I'll die.
Oh, man.
All right.
That's
going
why-
For a submission, it's very lackadaisical with the submission.
Yeah. some kind of wrist lock. Can't quite get a good view of it from over here, but
Oh, she's got a hold of the ropes.
Macintosh and Shotzi been talking a lot of junk back and forth. This isn't just about a W. This is to make the other one embarrassed.
definitely agreed. Shotzi's got a bit of a mouth on her, huh?
I'm going to stay away from that one.
All right. Well, that's not what I was thinking. Anyway, Macintosh goes for a pin. Did not hook the leg, was a bit arrogant, and Shotzi kicks out at 2. Steve firmly enforcing the rules here.
Uncle Steve back at Battle Club.
We missed it. Crowd still in Shotzi's corner.
Yeah, she's got the crowd. And this is unbelievable because Macintosh is usually over no matter who he's facing.
He's a Battle Club favorite for sure, but Shotzi's just plucky like that. Ooh. Shot to the chest from Shotzi, and another.
Shotzi Blackheart, if you have not seen it yet, she put out one of the fiercest, most entertaining promos for this match.
Very good, very good. Oh no!
Oh,
Is that a titty twister that's happening right now?
you said it, not me.
You know,
I can't believe.
I just think that's what it's called.
Oh, right in the bad apple.
I can't believe that just happened.
Shotzi returning in kind with a
Oh!
groin.
Double tap.
Oh my.
Jeez Louise.
It's a Zombieland reference.
And Macintosh just got further with a woman than all of the fans here in
Oh
attendance.
my God. You're still in Brooklyn, bro. Be careful. I'm loving the fact
Everyone
that
is
he's not.
just on the ground right now.
I'm loving he's not eliminating anybody.
No, I
He
think he
can't. His
understands.
nuts are in his throat.
He might have called for a DQ if he wasn't in so much pain. All right, Shotzi and Macintosh both on their feet. Macintosh faked with a fist. And wow.
Couldn't bring himself to. Never mind.
Interrupted. Now the two trading punches. Shotzi takes the lead. Macintosh catches her. A jawbreaker. A kick to the boot. Ooh.
Wow.
Macintosh sends Shotzi apple picking. She's bringing herself to her feet, though.
She's still, yeah, she has not been floored yet.
She is one of the
Here we go.
toughest broads I've ever seen.
Shotzi sees it coming, dodges.
Athletic, too.
Oh!
What the hell was
Scorpion
that?
kick.
Yeah, Scorpion. Good
Oh.
call. Eric, that's why you're here.
I know it.
I was wondering why.
Face breaker. Shotzi firmly in charge right now. Knee to the face. And a discus forearm.
Oh, wow.
my God.
Question mark
She's
kick.
killing it.
Shotzi charging up. Denies Macintosh a punch.
Oh, a
Into
sideplex.
How good is Shotzi Blackheart
She's
going
just
for the
a
cover?
step ahead of every single move.
Whoa, that
Just
looked
gets
like
out.
3.
Just gets out.
I don't know. I think the ref might be a little, still a little dazed.
Yeah, he's definitely panting a bit.
Up and around, tilt the whirl.
Shotzi switches it. And
Look at-
Macintosh switches it back.
Oh, he's grabbed. is he-
Darling
oh.
vertical.
Oh! Whoa!
I don't know.
Holy
Shotzi might
hell!
be out.
Oh,
Oh,
she kicked out.
I thought I saw her eyes rolling into the back of her head, but she's still conscious. All right. Crowd still in Shotzi's corner. Shotzi's almost back to her feet. Macintosh going for a taunt instead of staying on her.
Welcome to the orchard. Apple slicer, no.
No, denied.
Push off. There's that vicious kick again.
A reversal. And another reversal.
The chain wrestling going on here.
Ooh.
Wow, what a shoulder block.
Wow.
Going for what looked
Look
like
at
an
that.
armbar switching into a...
Look at that's an omoplata.
Yeah, wow. Shotzi pulling out some
And then you look, she's got the grip
offense.
behind her back.
Real smart.
Macintosh cannot reach the rope from where he is.
No,
He's
wrenching.
trying.
There he
He
goes.
did.
But he got a leg on the ropes. So Shotzi has to break. And she does. Respectful Shotzi is of the rules.
Oh,
Ooh, was going to some kind of boot in the back of the head. Misses. Now Shotzi's tied up in the ropes.
I'm sorry. Did you say
Oh.
that the woman who punched the ref in the nuts is respectful of the rules?
I mean,
in that instance.
she's still clean.
Oh.
She still made a clean
Oh!
So we're
Up
just
and over.
picking and choosing what rules we're gonna break here.
A chaotic neutral, true to my heart.
Oh! Misses the standing shooting star.
Shotzi trying to take advantage now.
Going for a
Double underhook dragon suplex. Now
Oh my God, cattle mutilation.
whoa.
Look at the submission wrestling from
Wow.
Shotzi is incredible.
Amazing. I've never seen a move like that.
Oh, look at that. See,
Oh, reversed by
Macintosh,
Macintosh
exactly,
into
he's
a pin.
smart.
Although Shotzi's been outmaneuvering him most of the match, Macintosh has had some good comebacks.
He's been here since day one. Oh my God!
my God,
Holy
she's
hell!
dead.
She's oh my goodness!
She's dazed. She's dazed.
Oh my
Ooh.
God! The knee.
V-trigger knee from Macintosh back into the apple slicer. Can he get it?
Oh,
this time?
oh my
He
God.
does.
What an amazing sequence by Macintosh. Shotzi's
One,
neck is
two,
finished.
And it's
That's
done.
it.
That's it.
Wow.
The first ever all intergender show from Battle Club Pro, Anything You Can Do, streaming now exclusively on TitleMatchNetwork.com. If you're looking for the perfect gift this holiday season, head over to TitleMatchNetwork.com. We're offering 1 month free to anyone who signs up now through the end of the year. Let us know what you think in the comments section below.